A Prussic loop is another important part of your equipment when you're dealing with mechanical advantage systems or hauling on lines of any sort. A loop of spectracord tied with a double fisherman's knot is going to allow you to attach to a single cord very easily without the use of tib locks or any sort of ascender device. When tying this, you want to make sure that the barrel knot is in the middle of the loop when you do this. You can tie this knot by taking the barrel, passing it through the loop 1, 2, and 3 times, and then pulling off to the side so that the barrel knot is not right where you're going to attach the carabiner. When you go for this, it's going to need a little dressing, and it's important to do this properly to make sure the cord is pulling from the middle, and then this part is looping over all coils around the rope. This way, and taking a little time to dress the rope, you create a little fist on the cord that allows you to pull, and this isn't going to slip on it. If you need to release tension so that the Prussic can pass along the rope, put some pressure here to feed it along, cinch it down again, and that way you can reset the system. When you're dealing with Prussics and thinking about buying them, it depends on the thickness of your throw bag or the rope that you're going to be hauling off. You want the Prussic to be between 1/2 and 2/3 the diameter of the main line. Any smaller and it's going to bite in too much to the rope and potentially break it, and any larger than 2/3 the diameter, it's going to be too fat and it's going to slide without actually grabbing onto the main line.